Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Ipsy Extra for the month of March. This came incredibly early. Also, March is my birthday month. Do we have any other March birthdays? I want to know. So I'm hoping this is extra good. This is gifted to me in PR from Ipsy, so thank you in advance to Ipsy. I'll pop deets and stuff right here while I am opening the box up. And I have received, I do still get my paid for package and stuff like that from Ipsy. I have received my Ipsy OG original since March of 2015. So a very long time. And the basic premise is it's a makeup subscription box. You receive monthly for around $35 and we get 5 full-size makeup beauty products. All right. Our theme, we always get a little pamphlet. Our theme for March 2026. Do less, glow more. Find your light again with nourishing skincare, warm, earthy colors, and simple moments that ground you. Because when you slow down, your glow shows up. This will also kind of give us pertinent details and things like that. Important dates. Alrighty. Right on top, good gracious, we have the Korres Pure Greek Olive Body Cream, Honey and Pear. Oh, that sounds amazing. And that sucker is gigantic, y'all. Of course, these are all full sizes. That sounds amazing already, and I'm all about hydration and skincare and all the things. Next up, we have Paul Mitchell Clean Beauty Heat Styling Spray. Shine and thermal protection, 93% natural origin, vegan, and eco packaging. Of course, a full size. Okay, not seeing a lot of makeup, but of course this is just kind of an idea of what we could get in our boxes. Next up is the Cella Cella, the Mask Day Glacier Clay Mask. Not something that I'm gonna use. I do have very dry, dehydrated skin, but I've heard wonderful things about this. We've received like some hand creams and stuff like that from them in the past. I just know for me, I probably will not use this because my skin is so dry. Next up is the COSRX, the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Okay, and then one last thing in here, the only makeup product in the entire box is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss Balm. I received the shade Soul. I guess I can show y'all what this looks like at least. I can't really do much of a showcasing or trying on because it's all skincare or hair things, which I do not mind. I know that a lot of people kind of prefer a makeup heavy bag. I would like to know what you guys think. Okay, there's the component. Really pretty. And that is the shade. All right, not blowing my socks off, but I do like that we still are getting things that are kind of quenching our body and stuff like that, offering hydration and stuff like that. I like that we got something for the hair. I do like to see a little bit of makeup, and I say this every single time. I would like for them to revert back to like old school BoxyCharm, where we get a palette in every single box. I just think for a lot of us, you know, keep in mind I'm also a consumer. For a lot of us, that was like a selling point for us, and I like having a palette in every single box. So not blowing my socks off, I'm actually kind of intrigued now to kind of see what choices are. And I do like to have this up the second that I receive it in the mail, because I want to be able to showcase things for you guys and kind of show you guys what they're offering for the selection for the month before Choice opens. Of course, Choices open on the 1st, from March 1st to March 3rd. Yeah, I want to know your thoughts. I'm intrigued by some things here, and I think it's a good overall blend. I definitely feel like it's a really good value. I'm sure this is like well over the price of the entirety of the box. It's just not blowing my socks off. I do want to know though if you've tried any of these. Can you comment down below and let us know? Are some of these your favorites? Are some of them maybe on your wish list? I'd like to know. Thank you again to Ipsy for gifting. Thank you to you beauties for taking the time to come and watch. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype this video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties! Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my PR boxy yearly her here.